In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy a photo from your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. Then right here tap at Select. Then select some photos you would like to copy. Tap right here at three dots and tap at Copy. What that will do, that will copy those images to the clipboard, and after that you will be able to paste them anywhere you want. Let's say we would like to paste those photos to some album. So we can go to Albums, and then in that way we can paste the photos here. Also, if we go to some app, let's say Notes, and create a note here, we also be able to paste the photos we have copied. The same about any app where we can paste an image, let's say Telegram, why not? I can get into Telegram conversation or saved messages, and then in this way I can paste those photos here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.